Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox camera glitch. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox camera glitch, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, you click on apps, default apps, app settings. When you will find this page of apps, you will go to this window of Roblox. Here you will find it. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to click storage. Then we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about Roblox. You will find here this blue sign update. Then when you will find it, you can click to update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.